Congratulations, you've been booked on Better Connecticut and you're gonna make us something delicious.
Something delicious. Now here's what we won't eat. Mayonnaise, duck, canned tuna, beets, relish, Russian dressing, venison, rabbit, lamb, and Kara, I know you love lobster, but I hate lobster. So
I would eat lobster and lamb, but you would not. So we should let the chefs know that those are the things that if you want us to try something, those might be a little off limits. It's really big about the mayonnaise-y thing.
Exactly.
No,
so
we're not a creamy people.
Yeah, try to avoid the mayonnaise.
Okay, now what we have for you, it's always best if you have a special tool or something you like to use, bring your own. But we do have the basics, like a colander. Over here, we have this cutting board with some very basic knives. They're not the kind of fancy ones you use in the restaurant, but we do have some knives, silverware, plates to serve, pots and pans. We have some extra dishes back there. Scott, we should let them know, this is not a real sink.
Not a working sink. However, we have a full kitchen in the back. This is the set kitchen. We have a full kitchen in the back where you're gonna do your preparation, and you're gonna have a sink, you're gonna have running water, you're gonna have all of that stuff, but you just can't have running water on the set because we don't have running water on the set.
Yes, okay, so a tip, as we're putting up there, the chef needs to have a finished product.
Voila!
And that's because you only get about 5 minutes to make your dish. So we want you to have a finished product so that if it's getting close to the end, we can say, oh, all right, while that's cooking, the chef has brought a finished product and we can taste it and we can eat it and we can love it and say, what a wonderful job you did, and then promote your restaurant and your website and all of that, just in case you don't get enough time to cook. So we should
bring a setup to the kitchen, like our friends. Take a look at the screenshot from our show the other day, circled in red. You're going to see what they brought. They brought in all of this stuff to make the set look more interesting, to fill the whole kitchen counter. If you have only enough for one side, that's okay too. We'll make it look big. But these are from our friends in Bar Taco. They were kind enough to bring in all of this accoutrement for our set, and it looks terrific.
For instance, if you're doing something about booking for Mother's Day, maybe you have a beautiful display of dessert. Now, this
is a no-no?
We cannot shake or lift the frying pan because this is an induction oven, which the good thing is it heats up really fast, or induction stove top, rather.
It's okay.
We do have a double oven back there, but we don't want to take anything off. You have to use the special induction oven pans, and if you remove them, the stove shuts off.
The stove shuts off. So we're not quite sure why, but it does turn off.
It's a safety thing.
Oh, it is a safety thing.
Yes, because that's very hot now.
Now listen, 5 minutes in real time goes real fast. So you got to make sure the steps are completed in 5 minutes. That's about how much time you're going to get on average. You might get a little bit more, you might get a little bit less.
So the best thing to do for that, the most successful chefs, they come with everything prepped. So use your sous chef, make sure all your ingredients are already chopped, and all we're really doing is putting it together, and then we'll have that finished product and we can enjoy it.
The best thing to do is to come relaxed, have fun, and be conversational. And we hope you have a great time on Better Connecticut.
We can't wait to try what you're making us. See you soon.
Take care.